Have you ever noticed those people who pack a bag, book a ticket, and just go somewhere alone? No group chat planning, no bro to be chill, no long arguments about where to eat. Just one person, one backpack, and a destination. At first, it might look strange. People often think, traveling alone must be boring. But psychology says something very different. In fact, people who enjoy traveling alone usually have a very interesting mindset. Let's be honest, most of us feel safer when we are with others. If you go to a new city with friends, everything feels easier. Someone is always there to talk to, laugh with, or blame when the map goes wrong. But people who travel alone are comfortable with something many people avoid: their own company. They don't panic when there's silence. Instead, they actually enjoy it. For them, sitting alone in a cafe in a new city is not awkward, it's peaceful. Psychologists often say that people who travel solo tend to have strong self-awareness. When you travel alone, there's nobody else to distract you. You start noticing your own thoughts more clearly. You think about your life, your decisions, and sometimes even those random embarrassing memories from 5 years ago that suddenly appear in your brain at 2 a.m. in a hotel room. Another interesting thing is independence. Solo travelers usually trust their own decisions. Imagine standing in a completely new place, trying to figure out buses, food, language, and directions without anyone helping you. It sounds stressful, but for these people it's actually exciting. They like solving problems on their own. It gives them a feeling of control and confidence. And here's something funny. People who travel alone often end up meeting more people than those traveling in groups. When you're with friends, you mostly talk to each other. But when you're alone, you naturally start small conversations with strangers. Maybe the local shop owner, a fellow traveler, or someone sitting next to you on a train. Suddenly, a 5-minute chat turns into a long conversation about life, culture, or why their city has the best street food in the world. Solo travelers also tend to be curious people.